starting the vlog on my phone, but that's okay. Just got up and we're starting out a like productive, realistic day in my life. I had my braid up, I had my hair up in a braid. It's a little bit messy, but that's okay. Today is Friday and I have to start the day with a workout, so we're gonna get ready. Today is leg day, so that'll be fun, and then you guys will see everything else. I'm also going to be showing you guys a new hair product that I've been using, and it's actually been really amazing, especially in the summertime. Let's get dressed because I'm looking crazy right now. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new here. You guys know the deal. Literally subscribe, hit the bell, all the good things. I vlog all the time, and I just would love for you guys to stick around and comment because I could reply to all my comments. I'm always the type of girl that goes to the gym with an oversized t-shirt and biker shorts or like leggings. Okay, before the gym, I'm gonna be eating this RX bar. I love this one. It's the coconut chocolate one. Comment down below your favorite flavor. Also, look at how like shiny my leg is. I just put on the Fresh Beauty milk lotion that I used in another vlog that I was telling you guys about. But look at how like nourished it makes my legs look. Workout is done. We're gonna stop at Dunkin. If you guys follow me on TikTok, which follow me on TikTok, Instagram, everything is always linked below, but I did try the butter pecan swirl drink from Dunkin, but I did want to like alter it because I did a little bit, I think, too much pumps of it. Also, let me know any of your Dunkin recommendations that you might have. Small iced latte with the butter, 2 pumps of the butter pecan swirl.
Milk or almond milk?
Oat milk. Thank you. Alright, let's try it. Much better. If you were getting like a medium or something, then you can get like 3. I don't like it too sweet, but you can still taste it. Like, it's really good. Cheers. Alright guys, breakfast is the rest of my iced latte, and then I'm having some eggs with these crackers. They're really, really good. They're called ducales and they're amazing. So here's my breakfast. I actually have a meeting to hop on to in like 45 minutes. So
work meeting vibes.
I just showered and got ready, so I just threw my hair in a bun. I do need to wash it later, so I'm gonna show you guys like the hair products and stuff later tonight, but I just like threw out my hair and did like a quick body shower. So let's eat because I don't have that much time. I have a very busy kind of like work day today. Also need to run some errands. Also, while I was finishing my breakfast, just posted a picture, and now I have to get ready for my meeting. So go follow me. Thank you. Okay guys, just finished my meeting. It went well. It actually went faster than I like anticipated it to go, so I'm happy about that. We're gonna get ready to actually head over to Target. I feel like my camera is a little dirty. I need to head to Target, so we're gonna get ready to head there because I need to get a gift for tomorrow. Second birthday party for Avery. You guys have probably seen her in the vlogs before. She's so cute. She's growing up. She's 2 years old now. Her birthday party is tomorrow. That's my cousin Alexa, that's her daughter. So we're going to celebrate tomorrow, so I'm gonna go get a gift today. I actually got her for Christmas a camera, like a toy camera, because she likes my camera and she played with it all the time. I was like, let me get her her own camera, and she loved it when I gave it to her. So we gotta see what we're getting her now, because now she's a big girl. Right now I'm doing a little bit of computer work. I need to send some emails, and then we should be heading out shortly. Target. It's 10:17. I do need to film video for a client, but it's kind of like a nighttime one, so that is why I'm working so late. But my legs are so sore from today's leg day, you guys. Like, I'm feeling it. But I'm gonna show you guys my a quick little like shower routine. I need to take my hair out first of all because I have like bobby pins in and low-key ready to get ready for bed because I'm very tired. Oh my gosh. Here is how the hair is looking. Okay guys, it is now officially time for my shower routine, and I'm going to be washing this hair because it desperately needs it. And as I've been going to the beach more and more, hair care has been literally so important to me, and I'm so grateful that I was able to not only try out these products, but now I use them and I can share it with you guys because I think it's an amazing product. It's a must, especially if you feel like your hair is damaged, if you dye it like I do, if you're in the heat, if you're in the pool, if you're going to the beach, all that type of stuff. I've already inserted clips of me showing you guys like a little mini unboxing when I first got it, so I'm just gonna once again show you guys like the packaging of what it comes in. So what's interesting, and like I know you might think like, okay, a shampoo and conditioner bar, but like first I love it because they're organic, they're vegan, they're cruelty free, plastic free, paraben free, silicone free, and like I mentioned have that added benefit of rice water, which is also good for growing your hair. And although it is a bar, the thing that I love about it is that I feel like it limits waste, because I feel like with traditional shampoo and conditioner bottles and you're squeezing out the liquid product, it's so easy to like overkill, if that makes sense. And I feel like there's so much product that is wasted, and this makes sure you're obviously getting your hair thoroughly, which I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to really quickly show you guys. I have the shampoo bar right here. It's a little bit like slimy, but it's cool because you could just keep it in this tray anyways, and it's still really good to go. So you would think it's kind of complicated, but it's really not. So let's say you have your hair is a little wet. I'm gonna let it just for the sake of like doing it right here because we get super steamy in the shower. But let's say you wet this piece of hair, right? You just take the shampoo bar. It also smells amazing because the scent of it is like peppermint, so it's really giving you like the spa freaking experience. So you literally just, as if like, let's say you're using this kind of like in a comb manner. So I'm gonna actually hop in the shower, wet my hair fully, and get started. But I just thought I would share with you guys, so it'll be linked below. And you can also use my code 10BREAHAIR. It is from Amazon, so it's super easy. You can get it shipped to you guys like super quick. I'll also try to include a clip of it in the morning, like how I wake up. Not only does my hair smell good, it just feels good, and it just protects it. It helps revive it from damage. Good night. I'm putting my alarm on for 6:45/7 in the morning. Guys, good morning. This is what my hair is looking like this morning. It looks nice and revitalized. I don't know if you can really tell, but like the ends, they look literally perfect. Yeah, this is what my hair is looking like this morning. Super curly. It's time to make breakfast and start today's busy day. Okay, I thought I would update you guys. I changed because I forgot I had to take a little clip for my thumbnail for this video. I just posted my what's in my summer purse, to go watch it. I literally just posted also an Instagram story because I am obsessed with my hair, and I feel like it just dried perfectly overnight. And I was surprised because my hair was actually like pretty wet when I was laying down. Sometimes I shower like earlier and then it's just like air drying, but it really went off. It's giving fresh, healthy curls. If you guys would have seen my older vlogs, I struggled with hair care. I feel like I really lacked, and I feel like this summer, since I've been taking more care of my hair, it's just been thanking me and like thriving, and the results are showing. So I just thought I would like share again, because usually for me, these pieces in the front never dry good, like at all. Like these are like my main concern. and they're giving cute. So yeah, also this is not what I'm wearing to the barbecue. I actually need to start figuring out what I'm gonna wear. I'm thinking of wearing a different like bright shirt and then just like denim shorts. It's like a really hot day today, and I don't want to put my hair up. I might have to do like a little clip because it is pretty hot and we're gonna be in a park, like it is like a barbecue.
Nothing, David. Ooh, do you like it?
What's this? An eraser? OMG.
I thought he was passing out cards. I'm like, wait, I don't know how to play yet.
We're playing this game called The Best Friends, but we're gonna kind of play it like Who Knows You Better. It's pretty much essentially Who Knows You Better,
Okay.
but with everybody.